Hi, this is Mark from Karts again, and we're going to have another look at our 500 watt e-bike, e-tricycle kit or pedicab kit, electric car kit. It's a 500 watt motor kit, and this works off 48 volts, so you need 4 lead acid batteries to power this kit. And we're going to do some more. We've done a video showing what's in the box, so we're not going to focus too much on these things. We're just going to look at some measurements so people know exactly how big the motor is, if you're going to fit it, and see if it's useful for your application. We looked at this on the other one and we measured it, and it is, if we put it in there, let's see if that focuses slowly, there we go, 30 mil. So an axle of 30 mil will be a nice snug fit on there. And again, this one is the threaded one, so it's slightly different, just over 30 because it's threaded, but this will actually thread to the kits that you've got on there, so that's how it fits on, and then it's bolted, locked into place on the axle. So most of the axles that you'll get, or you'll find on the back of your pedicab or whatever you're going to put it to, will have a flat section on, so it's all round with a little flat section cut out, and that's where your screw bolts in there. And there's 2 of those, one for each side, and then we have the main cog that fits on, that will bolt onto this section here. And then we'll have a look at the motor and just have a look at the spec of the motor and look at some sizes. So the motor itself, like I say, it's the whole kit is just tad over 8 kilos, and most of that is going to be in the motor. So this is going to be sort of about 7.5 kilos at least for the kit. If we look at some measurements, from tip to the rear of the motor, we are around 24 centimeters, 240 mil, or 9 1/4 inch. Put some inches in there for the old bodgers knocking around who want to use it on their kits. Don't use inches myself. No idea what I'm talking about there. Right, look at the width of the plate. So the plate itself is 177 millimeters, 177 millimeters, which is just over 17 and a half centimeters. It's a couple of mil over. And we'll look at the width of the mounting plate, which is bang on 8 centimeters or 80 millimeters, or if you're using inches, it's 3 and whatever those other measurements are there. I just don't use inches. Who does? Who uses inches now? Anyway, there we go. You'll have to have a look at your ruler and work it out to yourself. And let's just straighten that ruler, because that seemed like a 17 and a half. Let me just get that level. Yeah, 17 and a half centimeters. So 175 mil by 8 centimeters, 80 mil. There you have it, with 4 mounting points on there. And the weight, like I said before, will probably be about 7.5 kilos. If you want any more information on any of these parts, just let us know, and we'll have a look and see what it says and let you know. There we have it, the 500 watt e-bike kit with some technical specifications thrown in for you. Thanks for watching.